Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, to all viewers and listeners in my video account, this will be my second live video about my ecological videos. Sa Philippines na nakakaintindi ng Tagalog, ito ang aking pangalawang live necrological videos na gaganapin ko. By the way, since my first live video was successful, umabot ng 1,000 views. Thank you so much for listening. I did not expect. Actually, more than pa. Umabot siya ng 1,006 viewers. Kasi chinecheck ko yun every second, every minute, every hour, every day, every week. Kaya grabe ang social media, ang lakas ng impact. Okay, bakit ako nagawa ng second live video sa necrological? First is because there are some not yet published in the video, like I think you all know what happened to Pope Francis, the one who died in Vatican. Actually, nagsalita pa nga siya after Easter. Nag-speak pa siya. Then pagka next following day, bigla siya namatay. Kasi ang aking patakaran as a necrologist, hindi ako pwede mag-announce na namatay na siya, cause of death, di ba? Pero yung living, alam ko na kuwan talaga siya. Ito yung, actually meron akong details tsaka information tungkol sa kanya. Actually, nakakagulat nga ko, siya yung kauna-unahang pope na nilibing siya sa Vatican City, yung outside Vatican. Pero office niya is Vatican, pero ito, nailibing siya sa Rome. So, more or less 5 kilometers ang ibibiyahe from Vatican to Rome. Tapos may nakalagay yung tomb, T-O-M-B, Francesco. Kung may nakita kayong word Francesco, is an Italian word, siya yun. Siya yung nakakuan. Meron akong details yung bago siya inilibing, ang sapatos niya is color black, itim ang sapatos. Kasi usually, ang mga pope, pag bago sila ilibing or namatay na, pula ang sapatos. Kaya nakakatawa talaga. Sabi ko, parang ibang klase ito. So, yun. By the way, may nagtanong sa akin, meron ba akong details kay Mother Teresa, yung Calcutta? Yung galing Macedonia, yung Madre. Yes, meron ako niyan. Tapos Pope John Paul II, yung namatay 2005, yung nag-visit sa Philippines twice, 1981 tsaka 1995. So yon, may details ako yan, walang problema yon. Yung Iraq President Saddam Hussein, meron din akong details. Yung Libyan President Muammar Gaddafi, Libya yan hindi yan Philippines. Pero may details ako na nag-met sila personally, si former First Lady Imelda Marcos tsaka si Gaddafi. Face to face. Pumunta siya ng Libya tungkol sa Tripoli Agreement, 1976. Kasi hindi yan pupunta ng Libya kung walang purpose. May purpose po yan. Okay? Tapos yung kamamatay lang na Russian President, yung bago lang, itong si 2022, Mikhail Gorbachev. Pero alam ko, more than 3 years. So, lakpas ng 1 year. Yes, no problem with that. Basta ang aking patakaran, as a necrologist, kung ang isang taong namatay, kailangan complete details. Kasi may iba na namatay na may date, walang date of birth. Tapos may iba pa nga na namatay, hindi lang sinabi kung nailibing ba, na-cremate ba. Yun talaga ang koan. Yun talaga ang pinaka-importante. Kasi kung if you publish an incomplete details, ayun, mako-question ka. Kasi ako as a necrologist practitioner, kaya ako naging world's famous necrologist kasi complete ang details. At saka ang kagandaan nito, iba sa newspaper, yung obituary ads. Kasi kung obituary ads, may nahabol silang deadline. Ako as a necrologist, kung walang deadline, pero kompleto ang details, ayun, publish ka agad sa video. Basta kompleto ang details. Kung hindi kompleto, hindi ako nagpa-publish. Yun talaga ang aking patakaran. That's my rule. At saka may rules yan. Ever since pa. Actually, wala nagla-live video kasi ang iba kasi news reporter, paparazzi. Iba, kung anong deadline, kailan live na kaagad. So, yun ang disadvantage. Ito, kaibahan kasi kung magkamali ka, back to zero ka. Pero ito, walang 0-0. From the start to the end, see to it na ang details are correct, informative, at kung ba talaga, reliable ba? Kasi kung unreliable source, that's another case. So, yun. So, yun. Marami pa akong i-mention, especially other countries na who died already. May lalabas pa yung dating Al-Qaeda co-founder Osama bin Laden, lalabas din yan. Kaya step by step ba ito. By the way, yung may nag-chat sa akin sa FB, meron ba ako yung necrological video pero hindi isang taon namatay. Namatay sila as a group or massacre. Meron, kasi ang sa akin lang kung date of incident happen. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Kasi kung walang date of incident happen, that's another case. So, yun. So, ito ang aking pinaka-importanting necrological live video. This is my second necrological live video. This is uploaded May 16, 2025, Philippine Standard Time. Okay? So, thank you so much for listening this video. Good afternoon.